Hair 320 liters 3-star 2019 frost-free double-door RT FRIGE-RATOR HRB-3404BS-R HRB-3404BS-E Brushline silver, bottom freezer. Frost-free, double-door, auto defrost to stop ice buildup 1 HIT, 1 Hour Icing Technology, Freshness Solution available frequency 50 Hz. Capacity 320 liters, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. Warranty, 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Energy rating, 3-star. Climate class T equals 1843 degrees centigrade. Shelf type, toughened glass. Also included in the box, user manual, warranty card. Voltage frequency 220 to 240 V 50 Hz. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.